Hey guys, in this tutorial I'm gonna teach you a basic routing in Laravel 8. So if you're a beginner and really wants to understand routing, so this video is just for you. And everything we'll learn from scratch, will not skip any steps. So let's get started. This is my Laravel 8 applications, and inside we have installed a block of Laravel, and there are lots of files and folders like app, bootstrap, and config, database, public, and there are many files and folders, but we are interested in routes. So let's open this routes, and there are many types of routes. API.php means API routes, channel routes, console routes, and web.php web routes. We are interested in this web routes. So let's open in our code editor, whatever code editor you will use. I'm using a NetBeans IDE 8.2. So this is a route file, and we will understand basic routing here. Okay, so let's make our routes. First route, basic route. So route is a static class, and we can access through this colon, and as we know that any property of a static of a class, we can access this colon. Okay, and there are many properties and functions like a put, get, view, and post. There are many. Okay, so let's understand first one, get, and it will take some parameters in a different scenario, have a different parameters. Okay, so let's make a first page of our route and make it my page. And second is a function. Function is just a normal function, but we are creating these functions at the runtime, right? So when we visit this my app, you will see nothing because we didn't have written it here. Okay, so in a minute I'll write a code it here and make some functionality, and yeah, but first we need to run our application. So we have to come here. This is block. You are using a window, just very simple to open a command prompt like this, cmd, and hit enter. And to run our application, php artisan, and artisan serve serve, and hit enter. So it will return this url, and we can go through this url. Let's copy and paste it here. You will see your default page, and this is our default page, welcome page, but we want to visit this page. So this is my page. Let's copy and paste it here and hit enter. So it's nothing, it's blank. We don't have any output because we didn't return. And so let's return hello world and semicolon. So when we refresh it says hello world. So this is a basic routing. You can define any variable like a equals to 10. Let's make a sum of two numbers, and b is equals to 20, and when you sum this, let me put it $a plus $b. So result will be a 30, like this. Of this is 30, and if you want to change your page, you can change the page or any page name. Let's make it about, control s, and you have to go through this page about. So same result will be a 30. So this is just a basic routing. So let's remove this one, and let's make return only hello world, because we have to understand some more things, and remove unnecessary space. So it will be pretty easy to understand, so let's make it semicolon. Next is if you have a view uh, in a resources views, and if you have any views and you want to show a content of your views through a route, so how we can do that? So let's make a new file, test.blade.php and hit enter. So this is my just simple blank HTML file of a PHP, and let's make it h1 and h2 and any HTML content, and let's hello world. So this time we will render this HTML here. So just simply call the method just view, let's make it another one, route colon colon, and call the method which is a view, and inside it will take a two parameters in this scenario. So just test page, and second is our view name, and view name we know that we have a test view, right? So pretty easy. Oh, what's happening? Yeah, here. So we have a route and this is a page, and let's visit. You will see hello world, and this hello world is coming from here, hello world, right? So it's pretty easy to work with routing. And if you have a controller, let's make a controller here, block cmd, and make a controller, and after that we will create a method inside that controller, and load the view, and show the content, make the routes. Okay, so let me first make routes controller, sorry, php artisan serve, sorry, php artisan make controller, and name of controller you can give any name, test, my test, my test, my test. Why I'm putting a first letter is capital, because this is a class file. So as we know that every class have a class name is start from capital name, capital letter. So I've just added this my test and hit enter. So it will create a controller for us, and this controller will be here. Let me show you app, and this is a http and controllers, and inside after execute this command a controller will be generated here. So let's open here. So this is just a blank plain controller, this is just only a class, and inside we need to create a public function, and name of your function. So let's test index, and any function name you can give. So I'm giving a test function, and we will load return view, and inside we want to pass our view name and test. So this time we have to make a route for the controller. So go to web.php and let's make another route, and colon colon, and I'm using a gate, and inside we want to page name is view page, okay, controller page, and second parameter is the array, and inside array it takes a class name and method name. So class name is our my test, which is this one, so you have to copy and paste it here, and colon colon class, and the second parameter is a method name, and method name is just simply our method name, which is test. If you have another one you can put public function, and another function func, and here, so you can call one of them. Copy, I'm calling this function, let's copy this name and paste it here. When you visit this page, the same result will be here, which is hello world. Let's paste it here, but it's showing an error message, guys. This is really uh, understanding thing. Okay, so first we need to we are using this my test class, but we are not importing, we have not connected this app.php to this class. For that, just we need to use app and http and controllers and our controller name, and my controller name is my test and semicolon control s for save. And when we refresh, its controller is result is hello world. So this is just a basic understanding of routing. So in the next part we will learn more, and I think this will help you to understand a basic routing. So I have made this video for you, and this is just really just for beginners. Okay, and if you are starting to learn a Laravel, so this video will help you for understanding routing. So if you like yeah, if you like, please subscribe my channel and let me know if you have any questions and doubt, and write a comment in a comment box. I'm here to help you. So thanks for watching once again. Bye bye.